Installation of a power cord for an electric range. 6 feet, 50 amps, 4-wire power cord for an electric range. Why is the power cord 6 feet long? The 2020 NEC, National Electrical Code, does not specify the length of the power cord, but Article 210.50 (c) states that appliance receptacle outlet for specific appliance in dwelling unit shall be installed within 6 feet of the appliance location. Power cord clamp connector. Ground wire, green. Neutral wire, white. Hot wires, black and red. Open the range wiring compartment. Install the cord clamp connector and insert the power cord into the connector. Range wiring compartment with cord inserted into clamp connector. The cord sheath must extend beyond the cable connector at least 1/4 inch. Range connection terminals. Hot terminal, L1. Neutral terminal, N. Hot terminal, L2. Ground terminal, GND. When installing a 4-wire power cable, break the bridge between the neutral and ground connections. Connect the power cord to the range connection terminals as follows. Ground wire, green, from the power cord to the range ground terminal, GND, green screw. Hot wire, black, from the power cord to the range hot terminal, L1. Neutral wire, white, from the power cord to the range neutral terminal, N. Hot wire, red, from the power cord to the range hot terminal, L2. Close the range wiring compartment and secure with a screw.